White sands in New Mexico. Looks like a desert covered in snow. But this is not snow. And unlike most deserts, the sand is not mainly quartz. It is gypsum. White sands contains the largest gypsum dune field in the world, covering about 275 square miles of the Tularosa Basin. But the story of this white desert began around 280 million years ago. During the Permian period, an ancient sea covered this region. As seawater evaporated, thick deposits of gypsum were left behind. Much later, tectonic forces uplifted these ancient rocks into the mountains surrounding the Tularosa Basin. Rain and snowmelt dissolved the gypsum and carried it into the basin below. But the Tularosa Basin has no river flowing to the ocean. It is a closed basin, so minerals carried into it cannot easily escape. During the last ice age, a huge lake called Lake Otero covered much of the basin. As the climate became warmer and drier, the lake began to disappear. The remaining water became highly concentrated with gypsum. As it evaporated, large crystals of selenite formed. But these crystals were still not sand. Over time, weathering and wind broke them into smaller pieces. The grains collided, became smoother and smaller, and were carried across the basin. Eventually, they became the brilliant white sand we see today. Strong winds continue to move the dunes mainly toward the northeast. That means white sands is still changing. It is an active dune field. And there is another reason this landscape is so unusual. Gypsum normally dissolves easily in water. In most places, it would eventually be carried away by rivers. But here the closed basin traps it. Water evaporates, gypsum remains, and the cycle begins again. New gypsum and selenite crystals still form around places such as Lake Lucero and Alkali Flat. This means white sands is not simply the remains of an ancient lake. It is part of an ongoing geological cycle. And although the gypsum itself has an ancient origin, the modern dunes are surprisingly young. Most formed within roughly the last 10,000 years. So white sands brings together two very different chapters of Earth history. Ancient seas created the gypsum. Water concentrated it. Wind broke it apart. And today those tiny crystals form the largest gypsum dune field on Earth.